Today, I'll walk you through how to make a postcard with Google Docs, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create a beautiful postcard so you can share your thoughts and memories with friends and family. Let's get started. First, navigate to Google Docs by typing in the URL or searching for it in your browser. Once you're on the Google Docs homepage, you'll see a variety of templates and options. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still be the same. Now click on Blank Document to open a new document. This is your canvas where you'll design your postcard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, we need to set the page orientation. Click on Format in the top menu, then choose Page Orientation and select Landscape. This will give your postcard the right dimensions for a traditional postcard layout. A landscape orientation mimics the wide view of a postcard, allowing for more creative space. Now let's insert a table to help structure your postcard. Click on Insert, then choose Table and select a 1x1 table. This will act as the frame for your postcard design. Think of this table as the outline of your postcard where you'll add text and images. With the table in place, highlight it and adjust the size to fill the page. You can do this by dragging the corners of the table or using the table properties. Adjusting the table size will ensure that your postcard looks polished and professional. Now it's time to start typing your message. Click inside the table and you can begin to write your postcard message. Feel free to express your thoughts, share memories, or even add a quote that resonates with you. Next, let's add a personal touch by inserting an image. Click on Insert, then select Image, and choose Upload from your computer. This is where you can add a photo that complements your message, making the postcard even more special. Once your image is uploaded, you might want to adjust its size. Click on the image and drag the corners to resize it as needed. A well-sized image will enhance the overall look of your postcard. Finally, you can conclude your postcard with a warm closing. Click back into the table and type your closing message, such as best wishes or with love. This adds a personal touch that makes your postcard feel complete. And there you have it, you've successfully created a postcard using Google Docs. Remember, you can always customize your design further with colors, fonts, and additional images. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.